In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, delete, and rename tabs in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a personal project or managing information for a team, being able to efficiently manage your sheets is essential. Let's start with adding a new tab to your Google Sheet. When you're in your spreadsheet, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find a small plus icon labeled Add Sheet. Clicking this button immediately adds a new sheet to your document, conveniently named Sheet 2 or Sheet 3, depending on how many existing sheets you have. This feature is really handy when you need to create multiple reporting sections or separate datasets. Once you've added a new sheet, you might want to rename it to better align with its content. Here's how you can do it. After you've created your new sheet, you'll need to click on the drop-down arrow on the tab of your selected sheet. This arrow is positioned right next to the sheet's name. When you click the arrow, a menu will drop down. From this menu, select the Rename option. This allows you to directly edit the sheet's name. You can then type in a new name that reflects the purpose or content of the sheet, such as Budget 2023 or Sales Data. Giving meaningful names to your sheets helps you navigate your documents with ease, especially as they grow more complex. Now, let's move on to deleting a sheet. If you find that a particular sheet is no longer necessary, removing it is just as straightforward. Again, you'll start by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the sheet name of the tab you wish to delete. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally lose any important data. If you're sure about deleting the sheet, click OK on this confirmation window. Your sheet will then be removed from the document. By mastering these simple steps, you can maintain an organized, streamlined Google Sheet document. Remember, managing your spreadsheet effectively not only saves time, but also enhances productivity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned spreadsheet user, understanding these basic commands is crucial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made working with CSV files in Google Sheets a more accessible task for you. Feel free to return to this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy organizing!